I'm breaking down how AI is helping regular people like you build profitable six-figure digital businesses in 2025. Forget the fear-mongering around AI replacing creators. The real breakthrough? AI has become the ultimate business growth tool for smart entrepreneurs who know how to use it strategically. In this comprehensive guide, I'll show you exactly how creators like Eduardo Vázquez are using AI-powered digital challenges to generate over $100,000 from simple offers priced at just $47. I'll reveal the 3 essential pillars of building a successful AI-enhanced business and give you a step-by-step roadmap to create your own thriving digital product. Let's unlock these powerful, proven AI strategies. So how can you AI transform your digital business prospects in 2025? While everyone else is focused on using ChatGPT to write blog posts or DALL-E to generate images, the most successful creators are playing a very different AI game. They're not just using AI for content creation, they're leveraging it as a complete business transformation system. Just look at Eduardo Vázquez, a content creator from Latin America who pulled in over $100,000 with a simple 21-day AI-powered challenge priced at just $47. His secret? He didn't just use AI, he taught it to others. This pattern is exploding in 2025. The creators seeing the biggest financial results aren't the ones creating with AI. They're the ones bridging the gap between powerful AI tools and people desperate to learn how to use them. Why is this such a big deal? Because while traditional businesses are dealing with high costs, shipping delays, and limited scalability, digital creators using AI are building tariff-proof, high-margin businesses that scale globally. And I'm about to show you how they're doing it. Pillar 1. AI-driven product ideation. Let's start with the most important question. What will people actually pay for? With traditional market research, this could take months. But now, AI tools for market research and product development can help you validate profitable ideas in minutes. AI can analyze your content for top-performing topics, identify frequently asked questions and pain points from your audience, cross-check your strengths against trending gaps in the market. For example, a fitness instructor used AI to analyze her social media comments. She discovered that her audience was most excited about her recovery techniques for busy professionals. That insight turned into a 14-day recovery challenge that outperformed her previous program by 4x, completely changing her business. This is exactly what platforms like Nasio are doing, helping creators identify the best-selling product ideas using AI-powered social listening and engagement analysis. Pillar 2. AI-enhanced content creation. Once you know what to build, the next challenge is how do you create enough high-quality content to support your offer? Here's where AI becomes your content multiplication machine. Take one idea and spin it into multiple content formats. Customize materials for different audience segments. Create high-value assets in hours, not weeks. Take an example of a career coach who records a 60-minute workshop on interview techniques. With AI, she transforms it into a 21-day challenge with daily bite-sized lessons, personalized interview scripts for 15 industries, a smart quiz that pinpointed individual weaknesses, custom feedback templates that felt truly one-on-one. The result? Scaling from $2K a month to over $15K a month, all from the same original content, enhanced and expanded with AI. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent amplification of your expertise. Pillar 3. AI-powered community building. The third and final pillar is all about connection. How do you scale your reach while maintaining the personalized human feel that keeps people engaged and loyal? With modern AI, you can offer personalized journeys for every participant, flag and support people at risk of dropping out, provide custom insights at scale without more work. A great example is a language teacher who uses AI to analyze submissions from 300+ students. AI flags common mistakes, allowing him to create targeted support groups to address them. Course completion rates jump from 23% to 68%, and students rave about how personal the experience feels. That's the magic. AI running in the background, empowering more human connection in the foreground. Let's talk about what might be the biggest business opportunity in 2025: becoming a translator between AI tools and your niche audience. Eduardo didn't make six figures by coding AI. He simply stayed one step ahead of his audience and taught them how to apply these tools. This strategy works in every niche. Fitness coaches teaching AI-generated training plans, writers showing creators how to enhance storytelling with AI, marketers helping small businesses analyze customer data with AI, financial advisors offering AI-powered budgeting strategies. You don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to stay ahead of the curve and help others apply it in ways that solve real problems. So what's the best way to deliver your AI-driven offer? It's not passive video courses anymore. It's active, AI-supported digital challenges. Here's why challenges are outperforming online courses in 2025. 1. A clear start and end date drives momentum. 2. Community creates accountability. 3. Daily wins build engagement. 4. Challenges support identity transformation, not just knowledge. When combined with AI tools that personalize, track progress, and automate support, challenges become high-converting learning experiences that can scale to hundreds or thousands. That's why platforms like Nasio are centered around challenges, because they convert better, get better results, and create more success stories. The data proves it: 60 to 80% completion rates versus the 5 to 10% of passive courses. So how do you get started building your own AI-powered business? Here's your quick start roadmap. Number 1, start with audience insight. Use AI to analyze your content and community. Look for themes, questions, and engagement spikes. Number 2, sell transformation, not information. Package your knowledge into a 7, 14, or 20-day experience with a clear before and after outcome. Number 3, build community from day one. Create a space where people can connect. Let AI help flag wins and support those falling behind. Number 4, use AI to personalize at scale. Make each participant feel like they're getting a custom journey, even if you're serving 1,000 people. Number 5, consider teaching AI in your niche. What tools are emerging in your space? Can you be the bridge that helps people apply them? You don't need to stitch together 10 different apps. Use platforms like Nasio, which are built for creators building AI-powered businesses from day one. The digital business landscape in 2025 gives creators more power than ever. Zero shipping or tariffs, high margins, 70 to 95%, instant global scalability, direct audience access, recurring revenue potential. And when you layer in AI to multiply your ideas, reach, and results, you're not just launching a product, you're building a scalable transformation engine. The next wave of six-figure creators won't be viral influencers or affiliate marketers. They'll be people like you using AI-enhanced challenges to deliver real results at scale. So, what AI-powered business are you going to build? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to fast-track your launch, check out the link in the description to access AI tools on Nasio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.